Okay guys, Asad Farm back with you again with another video. Today we're gonna be changing BMW Z4 E85 2008 shock absorber for the hood. Mine stopped working, so we have to replace it. It's very easy and simple. If you can see this one, you can't close it. This is the new one, and then this is the old one, which you can just close it very easy. See, now we open the hood, and as you can see, here's the strut, and it doesn't hold. It's supposed to hold up, but this doesn't. So it's easy to replace. You have a ball joint here. You have this lock, which you just have to remove it, and same goes down for this side. You just have to remove this clip down here, and you'll have a ball joint over there. Safety first, guys. Make sure you put something to hold your hood while you do the work. There we go. So far the hood is fine. Safety first as usual. Now we're gonna remove this first. You'll have to remove this clip here, which is attached to the ball joint. Just put it out. And you are done. That's easy. Same goes for the other side. So we got both of them removed. One was in this side and the other one is in this side. Okay, make sure this clip is unlocked at first, and make sure you put a grease inside there. Same thing goes for the other side. You have to unlock it first before you put, and make sure to grease it up. That is one done. Other one on this side, and put up the hood a bit. Done. And make sure you clip it, don't forget. Make sure you put the hose. This is for the wiper water. So one is done. We've done one only so far, and as you can see, it's holding up the hood by itself without any support from the wood. So we're gonna do one more on that side, and we are done. Okay, so we just put this one there, and this is the other one. Now we just have to clip it. As you can see, it goes up automatic, and closing it, since it's new, it's quite a bit hard, but it's okay. And we are done. Thanks for watching. See you again in another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.